SpaceMonki, a creative space for learning.
Welcome back, and for those of you that you didn't check the previous video, you can check the playlist to see how we got to this point, and follow up. So basically what we want to do in this part of the video is to add the lights and then the rug and then render. So we start with the light up there. I'm just going to import, I'm going to bring in the light source right from our usual channel, which is lighting, ceiling light, from Cosmos browser. I love this. It's just like I want it, so I'm going to reduce it. Yeah. How many do we have in that picture? I want to play 4, 5, 6, 6 of it. Okay, so we'll continue. Let's see. Right here. So okay. We're good. Let's see. We have 6 of this, or 5, 6. We have to pull them together. Okay, yeah. So guys, just you can tell me what you think about this particular project. I have other videos of how we got to this part in the playlist. You can check them out. So we're putting that at 200. Oh, slightly high, 120. Yeah. So okay, now we can add the rug, which is fine. Accessories, rugs. So the funny thing is, if I didn't have any rug, if I couldn't get any rug in Cosmos browser, we would have needed to create our rug using Vray 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make another video. Watch out my YouTube channel. You can subscribe so you click on the notification button so that you get notified when I post a video on how to do a Vray rug, like how to use Vray 4 to get a rug. I'm going to be doing some of those videos very soon. So yeah, here. Awesome. So we have the rug in the file, but it looks too big for, so we're going to reduce it. All right. think this is crazy, man. Alright, so rotate by 90 degrees. We have it there. Okay, cool. So it means something now. And I want to have the table up. So it should be on top of the block. Alright, so now we need to create our environment rendering. It's pretty simple. If you ask me, I think now is also the best time to okay, yeah. Need to change this to concrete. And yeah, all the way in. So I'm going to add a Vray camera. Yes, a Vray light. We are having a dome light to render with. So I have the dome light. I need to add a texture, because if I do not add any HDRI texture, it's not going to pop. And so I'll do 15. We have our camera. So now let's go back to the setting now. Vray progressive. I'm going to put it at 4 minutes or 3 minutes rather. GPU RCX for this. Yeah. Then outputs. I like all my files are back. Yeah. So now you can see the result. So rendering is not rocket science actually. It's pretty easy and simple. And Cinema 4D is a very flexible software. I love using it. I love it. And so you can see the output that we have right now. Going to activate some certain dots. This is nice. Yeah, very nice. Okay. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching my videos. You can please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, drop a comment if you want me to do other things, maybe another exhibition code or a model that you want me to recreate. Just drop a comment or a link or something for me. I would definitely jump on it for you guys. And also, don't forget, it's SpaceMonki, and it's a creative space where we need to be creative. So we can't just be doing exhibition codes every time. So like I said, if you have anything that maybe a file you want me to share with you, just drop a comment in the comment section and then I'll get back to you and drop you the file. Thank you so much. Shalom.